What's going on, everybody? Let's jump right into using your Porter-Cable air compressor. This thing is awesome, one of the most versatile air compressors on the market today. For starters, you're going to have your on-off switch right here. Then you'll notice you have two gauges. One is the tank pressure, the other is regulated pressure. Tank pressure is how much PSI you have in your tank, and the regulated pressure is simply how much air pressure is going to be exiting your hose, for simplest of terms here. You do have two hose outlets or connections here, as well as a regulator control right down here. You have a pressure relief valve right here, as well as the drain valve right down here. Now the pressure relief valve should be, you should release the pressure once you're completed using it. You should also release the drain valve after every use, or open the drain valve. That lets any condensation that is built up inside of the tank out. Does it happen every time? No, but definitely good habit just to do. I've got a brad nailer here, so we'll go ahead and hook that up and use it as an example. First thing that we'll do is plug it in. We're going to take one end of the hose here and we'll pull this back, and that locks. And we'll take the other end of our brad nailer, also pulling it back, and we'll go ahead and turn it on.
And you'll turn the knob here to the right to increase the pressure. And once you've got it set to whatever PSI you need for your project or for the equipment that you're using, you're good to start using it.
So here you can see we have the air compressor on, and there is pressure in the tank. However, the motor is not running. So this nail gun is live and it will fire when pulling the trigger. So always keep that in mind and just put safety first. All right, so for demonstrative purposes, you can see. When you're done with it, you can go ahead and shut it off, and we will release the regulated pressure. And then we're going to pull the valve under here. Drain release valve. Then when you're done, you'll simply want to disconnect your hoses. And you're all set. That's the simple operation of the air compressor. Should be perfect for everyday DIY needs. I do have a video also on posted about what happens or how to troubleshoot this if it does stop working, so make sure to check that out. But look forward to always being a resource. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns.